Morning, friends. I'm back again at Bandstand. I did not walk yesterday. Rains are a little troublesome. And hi Arshi, how are you? Soon Muharram will begin. My wife is going to Lucknow. I shall be here in Mumbai. I thought of going to Hyderabad, but my recent bypass surgery, I don't think it's possible. So, it's a very windy day today. Very few people at Bandstand. And now I'll switch the camera. Yeah, that was for Disney. It was an ad for Disney. Mr. Shakti Kapoor does take care of me. In the pandemic, from the day the pandemic started, the lockdown started, it's been almost 2 years. He has given me, good morning, he has given me 3 bucks. And that's really kind of him. Because I don't think with my, I've been going through a very bad phase as it is. There is the people that I work for in the film industry, they have all taken a break. Mr. Pailaj Nailani is bedridden. He's not been well. I'll see you a little later. Mr. Pailaj Nailani is not well. So he was the one who always gave me work. He had been in hospital for the last 28 days. And now I will switch my camera. I'm not very good. So I'm at Bandstand and there is Mr. Salim Khan. He doesn't like his pictures to be taken. So I maintain a safe distance. Assalamualaikum sir. That is Mr. Salim Khan. I'm not very good at this Instagram live, so you guys have to forgive me for the break and the pauses that you see. किधर है आप? क्या हो गया सर में? हाँ? कैसा? फिर उसके बाद हाँ? तो हॉस्पिटल कौन लेके गया? अच्छा आपको होश नहीं है? तो मोबाइल किसने दिया आपको? वो एक अमेरिकन ने भी तो दिया था आपको। अली ने अली नाम एलेक्स नहीं उसका नाम?
एलेक्स नहीं, एलेक्स।
अच्छा, अभी आप मुल्क नहीं क्या?
नहीं गए, जाकर आ गए, बोला हम गए थे,
हाँ।
वापस आ गए।
सोनू सूद ने कुछ किया नहीं? सोनू सूद एक्टर है ना, जो सबको हेल्प करता है। सलमान खान। और सलीम खान साहब क्या बोल रहे हैं? अच्छा, तो तुम्हारी बिल्लियाँ कहाँ गई? तो अभी डॉक्टर क्या बोल रहा है? अभी डॉक्टर क्या बोल रहा है? नहीं, आपका सर का जो है उसके बारे में तो हुआ किधर एक्सीडेंट? हाँ, वो बाजार खड़ा देखना चाहिए ना आपको देखने में सलमान खान है, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। आपने सरनेम भी सलमान खान रखा है। चलिए मिलता हूँ मैं आपसे, बाकी बिल्लियाँ खुलोगी। और वो जो एक आदमी आता था आपको, तो वो बिल्ली का खाना देता था। मैं तो कई बार आके देखा, मैं तो यहाँ आना बंद कर दिया, मेरा तबीयत सही नहीं है, लेकिन पूछता था उधर आपके बारे में, किसी ने बताया नहीं। चलिए, हाँ मालूम, ठीक है। उधर गांव में सब ठीक है? तो let me tell you about this lady that I was just talking to. She has been at Bandstand, living on a bus stop for last 2 years. Earlier she told me she was from Hyderabad, then it turned out she's from some another place, and she had come to visit Mumbai, and then the lockdown happened, and so she got stranded. And she's a hardcore fan of Mr. Salman Khan. She calls herself Asma Salman Khan. So this is people that are crazy about Salman Khan. And I shot her videos, and there's this friend of mine from Ohio, Ali. He gave her the mobile phone that you see in her hand. He was a regular of Bandstand, but I've lost touch with him. I used to walk with him. He was a motivational speaker. So this is the rocks, the tetrapods. This is all going to be placed here. So it's going to be a tough time for the lovers. Most of the lovers sit on the rocks. This is the place where pigeons are fed. It's the most expensive area of Bandra. I have a lot of friends here. Good morning, sir. You lost a lot of weight, yeah? Yeah. I prefer. Nestor, you wait here. This is my friend Nestor from Ranwar. He's an East Indian, a very good friend of mine. Where were you? I sent you pictures. I'm live. Live. No. Why? How will I talk to Modi? I'm too small a man here. I sent you a picture to Penny. You and Roy.
That is long back.
Yeah, no. Sometime back also I sent. Yeah. How's your family and everybody? You had stopped coming.
Yeah, because of the rains and all that.
Yeah, and the lockdown and all.
So,
Okay.
but now, what about you? You're not feeling.
I had a bypass surgery
I know,
in
I know.
December. Yeah.
How are you now?
But much better.
Okay, good. Yeah.
और क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Taking a central view?
This is Shahrukh Irani, the rock star of Bandstand.
Everyone.
और If you Google Shah Rukh Irani, you will find more of Shah Rukh Irani than Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, a fact.
Shah Rukh Irani takes my pictures. And these are the tetrapods. I don't like YouTube Live. I have 7,400 plus videos on YouTube. But the strange and ironical part about being a YouTuber is out of 7,400 plus videos, maybe 75% of my videos are age restriction. Because I shoot controversial subjects, I shoot religion, I shoot rituals, I shoot custom and diverse faith in India. Good morning, sir. Through your wife I keep connected with you. I keep calling you Roy, Viceroy and everything. और नहीं आपको पता तबियत आपकी वाइफ को मैसेज देते रहता हूँ मैं.
ठीक हो?
हाँ मैंने बोला I'm not keeping well यार. I was not keeping well.
Looking well, yeah.
Or how's everything with you? How the kids? How the kids are? Arey ma'am, how are you? You got a very long life. I just told him that I'm connected with your wife.
Why?
No, I keep telling you about myself. Okay. No, he was asking me what happened to me. That is Roy. He's in charge. Hi, how are you? Bas dua. He's in charge of one of the caretakers along with my friend Bernie. So anyway, I was coming back to the YouTuber thing. So I became a YouTuber, I think, many years back. I had only one video of Muharram with my head bleeding. And after that, I had one video shot by somebody. It was of my head bleeding during Ashura Muharram. But I didn't know how to shoot videos. It was amazing. Then in 2014, I think, I was in Hyderabad to shoot Ashura. And I was accompanied by two photographers, eminent photographers. One is Boaz, and the other is Photo Traveler. He's from Paris. He's from France, Paris. He had sent a message to me that he wanted to shoot Muharram, and if I would like to, if I would allow him to be accompanied. I said, you can come. Hyderabad is not my hometown. It is not the city where I stay. I said, you can stay in a hotel. I can arrange all that for you. Economy package and all. So he stayed there. And then I have another friend. I met another friend on email again, Mr. Boaz. He's from Hong Kong, an American. He also wanted to shoot. I told him the same thing. I said, you can take a room along with Mr. Francois and then we can meet. And so we shot Ashura there. And while we were shooting Ashura, I saw him shooting videos. And I asked him, I would like to learn about it. He says, very easy, use it on your mobile. And so I started, and I had one video in 2005 or 6 or 7 or 2008. And then 2014 till now, I have posted about 7,500 videos. But now coming back, YouTuber is not a joke. All my videos, out of the 7,400 plus, about 60 to 70% are age restricted because I shoot Naga Sadhus and they are mostly nude. I shoot Muharram, there is graphic because of the bleeding and all. I shoot Sufism, that is again another problem. There is no bleeding, but the body piercings which are known as Rathib, they get onto people's goat, The Qadri Rafais and the other Rafais or the Kalandris also, they do a lot of body piercing. They pierce the eyebrow, eyelid, the cheek and all those things. And I have shot this Rathib for many years now. Many years, maybe 25 years. But the place where Rathib body piercing is very, very hardcore, is Gujarat. I have not been there. My friends have shot it. They pierce the cheek with a drilling machine, and there is no bleeding. That is the strange part of Sufism. When the Shia bleeds during Muharram, you see the blood pouring out. There are some of the Shias that take stitches. I cut my head with 2 swords or 2 daggers, whatever you call them. But I have never taken stitches at all. But I bleed. And I'm a diabetic. Now I'm a heart patient also, bypass surgery. So I don't know how, if I do Kama Matam, which I will, for a short period I will do it on Ashura. But I don't know what the outcome is going to be. So anyway, coming back to the Qadris, they do hardcore, you know. So now what happened, earlier YouTube didn't mind all that, but now they have become very strict and they age restricted. So all the Rafai functions that I shot through Nasir Bhai Rafai from Mumbai Dongri at Bilimora and at Gandhevi, 2 places of Qadri Rafais, they age restricted. So this is the problem. And then there are the Hijras I have shot. There's no nude in it, but because of their privacy or whatever, I've shot them with their permission. They know I'm shooting them. I have kept it age restricted. So only if you're 18 you can see my videos, most of them. Otherwise, and the Shia is totally, if it is Ashura, Shelum or Athvi, the last where the bleeding is there, then I have to age restricted. There is no option. So I prefer Instagram Live. I just started it a few months back. I was never used to it. I'm still not used to it because what happens most of the time, if the connection is bad, then the videos cannot be saved. It will be saved if it is above a minute. So these are the problems. And now I'm here at Bandstand. Got all old friends. Say hello to them. So since the pandemic, I was telling you all something. Since the pandemic, what I've been doing is I have a couple of hard drives. I've shot a lot of stuff. I'm downloading this stuff, converting them into videos at Window Movie Maker because I'm not a good editor. I'm not very good at video application, and then I'm posting it to YouTube. So that is how I've been keeping myself occupied. And so I'm reposting it with a different feel, you know, and I call these field memories, you know, because I don't think whatever I have shot. जयराम जी की सर, जयराम जी की बहुत याद आती है आपकी. So that is Mr. Rawal. So what I do is I'm posting all this for a new feel. I have no other, and all my stuff is original content. I don't borrow people's visuals or their imagery. I'm happy. And another thing I'd like to tell all you guys, I don't want to boast about it, but supposing I stop photography completely, don't use I'm not using the camera last 2 years. I'm shooting on my mobile, Vivo 20. But if I stop photography completely, I will tell you one thing. I have so many pictures on Flickr, about 6 million on Flickr, and on Google Plus I don't know how many. Recently I started deleting all the thrash that is there. But if I want to tell a story, I have a lot of images in that library of Google Photos. I am now reducing those photos from Google Photos because of I have to pay and I can't afford it. Business has been totally wiped out. It is Mr. Shakti Kapoor. Since the pandemic, it is Mr. Shakti Kapoor who has given me 3 films. And it's not much, but it is a good start. I did his film for Ashok Tyagi. I did a costume. And I did a few costumes for Mr. Pailaj Nailani. And then I did as you all know, I did the Disney ad in which he's wearing the black outfit of Crime Master Gogo. I did a film 3 years back. I don't want to mention it. It cuts me up completely. I don't want to bitch about Bollywood, because what I am today is because of Bollywood. I've been connected to Bollywood for more than 40 years. In Bandra, I've been here for last 25 years, but I was with Burlington's, and there I used to serve Mr. Sunil Dutt, Sultan Ahmed. I've served a lot of people, Roger Moore, and a lot of celebrities. I don't want to name them. Mr. Ashok Hinduja, Mr. J.R.D. Tata, Mr. D.R.D. Tata. I styled the things at Burlington's Taj Mahal Hotel. But what happened was, 3 years back, I took up a assignment for Mr. Danny Denzokpa. I did the costumes and everything. I got paid in advance, and it was very difficult sourcing those materials, because during the it was really, really bad. I had to source animal skin, which is not easy to obtain because of all the restrictions and all. I somehow managed. I get all the clothes done. I did everything. I got a small advance, and the balance would be paid after they came back from the shoot. And then all of a sudden, the film got shelved, because the same film was made by Mr. Akshay Kumar. It was called Kesari, and it was a hit. So I was completely stumped, and I'm still, you won't believe it, after this setback, 3 years, and a lot of money is owed to me. I'm still praying that the producer and the director comes out of the mess, and at least not just me, but there are others, like the other people in the Bollywood hierarchy, dressmen and all those, and other stylists, they get paid. So this is the only thing. Even when I had my bypass surgery, I sent them my angiography report, but they didn't do anything. During my gallbladder operation, I sent them a report. It is only Mr. Danny Denzokpa who gave me 50,000. Mrs. Poonam Sinha, Sonakshi's mother, she gave me 50,000. And there were people whom I don't even know much. There's Zen Ziazi who gave me 25,000. I mean, these are people. There's Dr. B.U. Pai who gave me 25,000. And this was all to run my home, basically, because there was no, my son's salaries had been cut down. So I've gone through a lot of mess. I'm still going through it, and I just hope we all come out of it. And this is the first time I'm telling you all this. And now I stopped contacting the production house. But I hope, I've been connected to that production house for last, I don't know how many years, maybe 30, 35 years. So I'm sure, and they have never ever taken me for a ride. They have always stood by me in my hard times. So now it is my turn to stand by them in their hard times. This is the message I'm telling you all. It's no use. And another thing that I must tell you all, I was walking at Bandstand, and near Salman Khan's house, there is a art installation. It's called I Love Bandra. I don't know what came over me. I wanted to shoot it. So I went to shoot it, and while shooting, I forgot there was a car coming in, and the car had an old man and a lady. They came. The car was just maybe 5 inches away from me, and I got saved. I did not say anything to the old man. He apologized to me. I said, I said, you can't see? And he said, no, I can't. No, I didn't see, he said. I said, you should wear glasses. I didn't take the video, neither did I. I didn't want to, but God had saved me. And that was my maybe second brush with death, face to face. After the guy left, I started crying. I was crying not for any other thing, but what does God have in store for me? Why did He save me? And then again on the ventilator for my bypass surgery, again I had the same question, because the doctor had told my son that I may not survive because of my diabetes and other related health problems. But I came through. And now last 18, 19 days I've not been walking. This is my second walk. So I hope my rant doesn't disturb your peace. But this is a very beautiful day today. And now we'll switch the camera back so you can see Bandstand. So this is Bandstand. This is a children's garden, but it is closed. I did not want to come today. Good morning, Sohail. Sorry, I wearing glasses. I don't see very well. As a photographer, I'm an accidental photographer. I was an alcoholic. I was very talented, very skillful. Had a lot of good work. I had shops. I had 2 shops in Baba Nagar. Then I got a 3rd shop. I was doing that well. But I was a buzzard, I could not do without alcohol. And I felt at that time, all my creativity came from alcohol. And that was stuck in my head. I needed money. I would go early morning to Irani. There is no bar in Bandra that I have not visited. Irani, Canara, Palinaka, Khar. And the main was Kasbah. Mr. H. Irani's joint that I would visit in the evenings. And it was Mr. H. Irani who would take whatever money I used to have, I used to give it to him. He used to deposit. So I could manage to get a house in Bandra with help from a few people. So this is my story. So I gave up alcohol. But the psychiatrist who was treating me, I was in a very bad shape. He said, in order to give up alcohol, it is very easy, he says. But the tough part is finding something that is alcoholic. Something that has the same nasha. So what I did was, I bought a camera. Then I realized the greatest nasha is photography. And I met Mr. Shrikant Maluste, my first guru of photography. And he knows the amount I have spent. I spent a lot of money. I used to shoot Provia, Velvia. I used to buy lenses. I shot bird. I did bird photography. I did almost still, studio, everything. But I prefer to shoot now on my camera 4. So I've come a long way. I taught my grandchildren photography when they were 3-year-old on the DSLR. And there you see, Baba, क्या हाल है? क्या इधर अभी बीच में बंद कर दिया था ना? आपके उधर आया था एक बार वो दरगाह पे. How's everything? This is Mr. Gurshiani, one of my dearest friends. His father was a saintly figure. His father's name was Baba Gurshiani, connected to Haji Malak. They have an ashram over there.
Yes.
And I was very, very friendly with him, but I didn't know that he was his son. And then I just mentioned it to him. Or just walking. That he knows, Shahrukh knows I come here.
I have not seen you after long.
No, I am coming after a long time. I am not keeping well here. How's everything else?
God is kind.
Okay, bye.
I just
Bye.
saw you outside Ashram.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning. You don't remember me? You don't remember me? You have forgotten me, man. Dr. Saab. This is the famous doctor, musician doctor. Huh? I'm on Instagram live. Yeah. Play something.
You want to play me something?
Yeah. You are at SRI just did?
Yeah.
My son had COVID. No, he was there for. I lost all your details. You didn't give me your number even. No, what happened was, I tell you. When I met you.
Your number is your cell is changed.
No, it's a strange moment. I tell you what happened. I think I met you when I was on Facebook.
Yeah, and you put some videos on YouTube.
Yeah. But then what happened was I never saw you again. No, I didn't see you. No, I'm just saying, I did not see you and I also stopped coming. I had a bypass surgery.
You got a bypass?
Yeah, finally. I mean, I got it done at Mira Road, Lifeline Hospital. Yeah. It was done through an NGO called Swabhiman. My business had gone. I was totally open. Then my son had COVID 4 months back. But The bill was so high. Then anyway, my other friend, I do his costumes many years back, is Shravan, Nadeem Shravan, musicians. Shravan went to Haridwar, Kumbh Mela. There was no need to go there. He and his wife. He also got COVID, but he died.
Yeah. But I think he had some cancer also.
No, I don't know about that. Because I had lost touch with the place.
Can you tell me your number?
Yeah, 98. Okay, well, I'll tell you afterwards. I'll give you my number.
No, just tell me.
I'm live now.
It has to be there.
No, my name is Feroz. Feroz Shakir. I just, yeah, later on you send me a SMS. This gentleman is a doctor at SL Raheja and he's a musician. And these are the stories I get. These are very authentic stories. They are not made up and these are all original content. Because in life, just saying good morning on WhatsApp doesn't make your life. And taking somebody's content and posting it on WhatsApp doesn't make your life complete. But this is what makes life complete. Meeting people like Doctor.
He saves hearts of kids.
Okay. So how's life been with you? How's your wife and everything?
Fine.
Yeah.
I left Dubai for 1.5 years.
Okay. And the problem was maybe the numbers got deleted. I forgot your name, and so at that time, but when my son got COVID, I needed to just get some assurance
Was
from.
admitted where?
SL Raheja.
Raheja?
Yeah. No. I didn't want to go for any other reason. Just to get the message of my son. So I met Dr. Avari. He's Dr. Avari has a clinic near SL Raheja in the Fisherman's Colony. So he's a tennis player, I'm a tennis player. So he helped me a bit. So, and he also helped me with that. He knows the doctors there. So the treatment was okay. We have no issue with SL Raheja. You just send me an SMS and I'll get back to you. All the best. I forgot your name again.
Sachin Deshpande.
Sachin,
I have your number.
Yeah, okay. Sachin Deshpande, we met almost 2 years back. Yeah, 2 years back. So this Instagram live is really good.
Yeah, it's good.
These are the stray dogs of Pakistan. I have a problem. I'm wearing bifocals. So that is Doctor. I've got his videos on YouTube. So I want you all more. I want you all to see Bandstand. It's a really beautiful place. I mean, I prefer it to Carter Road also, because as I told you guys, I don't seek stories. Stories seek me out. I get stories. Now I shot day before yesterday. I shot a man. He'd come from an outer state. He had a urine bag, urethra or something, whatever you call it, and he was crying. He was in a very, very bad shape. He had cancer for last 4 years, and he had bought some placard and all, and he was appealing to Mr. Salman Khan, a great actor of Bollywood, and he was sitting outside Salman Khan's house on Bandstand. It's called Galaxy, and he was trying to draw attention to Salman Khan. I don't think Salman Khan would have noticed it or anything. So what I did was I took a video of that man Muslim guy, married. He's got a couple of kids. And he was saying one thing. He said, I don't want money at all. I just want Salman Khan to help me in my treatment. So, I mean, where will I get stories like this? I can't afford to go to Nainital, Dehradun, Dalhousie. I'm not a biker. I walk on my two legs. But somehow, when I venture out, I don't have this thought that I will be shooting stories. And I'm not really, I've just got my camera serviced by Sundar Vedkar, my best friend. But I'm not bringing them out, not yet, because of the rains. I got a gimbal, Moza Mini. I got that charged and everything, but I'm still not bringing it out. So this is Vivo 20. I can't afford an iPhone. I mean, if I was to have money to buy an iPhone, I would rather buy something to do with the camera. I want to buy a Sony camera, but it will be later, not now. Things are really bad, as I explained to you, my financial condition. This is that young boy. He's selling tissue papers on the promenade. What else to do? This lockdown has been very, very difficult. This lockdown has been very difficult for a lot of people, especially the lower strata. Daily wage earners, they have had very bad time. I met a friend of mine just now, Tilak. He used to walk with me, but I could not talk to him because I was doing this live. So this is that is the bathing ghat of Bandstand. There's people bathing. I told you all earlier also. There's a sweet water stream out here. So all the beggars, homeless and the abandoned pavement dwellers, they all come to have a bath here. I know a few of the beggars down there. But this is it. This is the only place. This is the only place where they can bathe, wash their clothes, and it gets dried in a very short time. So, hope you all enjoyed my video, my live. कैसा है तू? और क्या बोला? आज कितना बनाया? और कल उस दिन कितना बनाया था? 100 रुपया। और तेरी माँ किधर है? अभी उस दिन तो बोला तेरा बाप नहीं है। अच्छा, तेरी माँ नहीं है। This guy sells mobile covers. This is tissue papers. और क्या बेचते हैं? हाँ, किससे बात कर रहा हूँ? भगवान से बात कर रहा हूँ। हाँ, भगवान ऊपर है, वो मेरे से कनेक्टेड रहता है। मैं जब भी कोई तकलीफ होती है उससे बात करता हूँ मोबाइल पर। भगवान का नंबर नहीं है तेरे पास? तेरे को बाद में देगा मैं। He comes to Bandstand. See this, ladies. I don't want to zoom. Doesn't look right. They all bathe over here. And there you can see at the edge out there, I don't know if you can see, there are few fishermen come to fish around here. And there's this lady photographer shooting. This is life. I'm happy you're shooting. I said I'm happy you're shooting. Yeah, I know that. I can see it. I'm also a photographer.
I saw you shooting
No, that this is on the phone. I normally shoot on my DSLR, but I've stopped it last 2 years of the pandemic. Yeah, and what happened was my cameras had moisture आ गया था. So what I did was I have a friend who's a very good camera technician. So I told him I'm from Bollywood. I'm a fashion stylist in Bollywood. So I told him I have 7,500 videos on YouTube. I'm a street photographer, poet or whatever. So I told him I'm going through a very bad problem. I could not take my cameras to Canon. I know the manager, I mean the guy who takes care, Mr. Podar. He asked me to bring it. So I spoke to this guy and he won't believe it. There's a lot of humanity in Mumbai, which nobody knows. And he took my cameras, he got them. I got 2 Canons. He got it done, he didn't take any money. But I gave some money for his children. So this is the beauty of it. I'm happy to see you. Come.
I'll ruin the picture.
Huh?
I'll ruin the picture.
No, I don't think so. You know what is ruining the picture of life? Politics and religion. If you can keep away from these 2 devils, so you're very happy. What has happened now, you know, the biggest curse, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, they have destroyed us. I mean, I come from a period where Hindus, Muslims were all one. Today on Twitter, there's total divide. I mean, you know what I mean? No, I'm doing something else. Take care. But I'm not taking you. Thank you. I did take her though. Bye. So, that was a lady photographer. She took my pictures. I think I will end this session here. Wish you all the best.